that shows the love. We are talking sexual healing.
Yeah, sexual healing. And then for a young musician there, you know what it is there? It looked like
I'm showing which one is the better song, Rashad?
You know, I really like Marvin Gaye.
How you mean? Truly! You gonna play that for your girl. Valentine's Day, you play for your girl. Truly!
Of course. You have to let her know how you feel.
Morning, sir. How are you?
I'm good.
You're the saxman, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
What's something different about you? Change it? What?
My hair.
Oh, that's it. Sorry,
okay.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on there. Well, we have a young musician in here, and of course, you brought us 2 songs this morning, and it's good, of course, to you. And you also brought us another gentleman there. I don't know.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, the last time I saw a photo of him in Instagram, I thought he was in the snow somewhere, but apparently he's there. So, talk to me. Good morning, sir. What's your name?
Ezekiel.
Ezekiel. First time here.
Yeah, you'll be seeing him often.
Okay, all right, yeah. So let's talk about, of course, Rashad. I know you for, well, you did some vocals before because we saw you at the jazz and what have you.
Yeah.
But when we know of Rashad, we always think of the saxophone. Yeah. But this time you brought us something different.
Yeah, I came rebranded, you know. We started a group called Ocean View.
Ocean View.
Ocean View. So that's the name of it, and it's basically me and him. But I would more call it a vibe than anything because we're trying to do a lot of collabs with different artists in St.Lucia.
Okay.
And artists overseas as well.
So you say a group, but it's not a band, or just?
It's just 2 of us.
Okay, all right.
So we go by the name Ocean View. So it's Rashad and Fontelio.
Ocean View.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So what type of music would you more than likely be performing?
We do almost like everything.
Okay.
So it's just music. It's just for the fun of making music.
Okay. Nice. And of course, I mean, who, in terms of the writing?
Well, we write our own material, and we have done collabs with KO.
Yeah. He's back from the snow.
Yeah, of course. The locks go long.
Yeah. He passed me. I didn't realize it was him. I didn't realize it was him. But the locks changed. So much snow. You need some sunshine.
So I'm back. So KO's on the second track. We're gonna play for you guys this afternoon.
Okay.
That one is called Crazy.
Okay.
And yeah, we basically came through in the studio, and then we just came together with the track.
All right. But why the collaboration with KO? He's not an easy guy to find, you know.
No, he's not at all.
Yeah.
Timing.
Not easy guy to find.
Perfect timing.
I don't know. He's not an easy guy to get. Yeah.
Just happened. Yeah.
So that's something that's going to be throughout the year? I mean, the most...
Yeah, for sure. We have a lot more projects coming. So the 2 projects we're about to drop today, that's only for the Valentine season. And that's some of our
early for Valentine's.
So we have a lot more music coming, and it's going to be very consistent.
Okay, that's good to hear.
What about performances and stuff? You guys would be...
It's great that you asked.
Okay.
Ocean View will be performing at Solstice.
That's
which is happening this year. This month, actually, February 21st, Independence Edition at Coconut. Surprise!
Okay. So it's gonna be at Coconut. Okay.
Nice.
All right.
So that's gonna be your first official performance
as Ocean View.
Ocean View.
All right. Isabel, tell us a little bit about yourself, sir.
Okay. My stage name is Fontelio. I just linked up with Rashad around a month ago.
Okay.
And we just started putting consistent work in. That's just the early stuff you're laying. That's just 2 early tracks. So well, what else I can say about ask something.
Yeah, okay. What I'm saying is that how your involvement in music, how you get involved in music and stuff.
Well, now I link up with Russia. Now I have more time to put down more because you have a studio.
Right.
So now we just in the studio 24/7, like literally 24/7. We actually don't sleep yet. You can see we don't sleep yet because last night we've been mastering and mixing.
Okay.
So like we just get like 2 hours of sleep. So yeah, every day we put down work.
So how long have you been doing music though?
Well, me personally, when we saying doing like recording or doing music,
like involved in music, like in St.Lucia, is that your first time? Because you've met Rashad, you decided to get involved.
I've been involved in music, but now I taking it serious.
That's a serious vibe. Okay. All right. Well, it's good. That's why you say we're gonna see more of you for the year.
Yeah.
And that's good as well. And the type of music will be. You said you do everything, but it's more R&B.
It's it still evolves around our sound. I have an R&B sound, and he has a kind of Afro, kind of rap, kind of. So it's just a collaborative effort, and to make something different come out of it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, very nice. Well, let's go and listen to the first track this morning. Rashad, you can introduce the first track for me.
All right, so the first track is called Vintage Love. This one is by Ocean View, Rashad and Fontelio. This one is a Valentine's tune. This one is written for someone special. So so I think anyone that listens to the song should be able to relate to it.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Is it
Haven't seen each other in a long time. I feel like I call you at the wrong time. Wanna know what's on your mind because I lost mine. That's why. Yeah.
You can blame it on the trust, but I know we got issues. If time is money, I'm spending it with you. Said it before, cause we've been there before. So I'm cool with your friends till you make it official. Tell me your thoughts, you haven't seen, I'ma listen.
Respect. Go City. Haven't seen each other in a long time. I feel like I call you at the wrong time. Wanna know what's on your mind because I lost mine. That's why.
Yeah. You can blame it on the trust, but I know we got issues. If time is money, I'm spending it with you. Said it before, cause we've been there before. So I'm cool with your friends till you make it official. Tell me your thoughts, guaranteed I'ma listen. Told you I'm patient, don't trip on the distance. You gotta pass, and I gotta pass. So if life is a test, is there something we missing? No shining, we glistening. Bobby and Whitney, when the door drops, are you bobbing it with me? Know you've been hurt, so your feelings are shifty. But I'm down to cope with whatever you give me. No switching, I'm here from the start to the finish. Keeping it real, so no scandals or gimmicks. All of this chemistry, history be printed. We can grow old and our love will stay vintage. Yeah. We can grow old and our love will stay vintage. Yeah. We can grow old and our love will stay vintage. Yeah. I see. We can grow old and our love will stay vintage.
You've done such a job. Haven't seen each other in a long time. I feel like I call you at the wrong time. Wanna know what's on your mind because I lost mine. That's why.
Young talent from St.Lucia, Rashad and Ezekiel Fontelio. That's the name he goes by, right? Well, Rashad, I like it. The only thing you know me when it comes to brass, I can feel a little sax in there somewhere. I feel a little sax in there.
More to come.
It's missing a little sax there. Valentine, that line there. Yeah, good vibe, guys.
But you can sing well.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you saw him, he was singing the last time at Royalton, I think.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, you did some singing there, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but good vibe, man. Very good. That's a little sax I'm missing there.
Live version.
Live version. So come and see us at Solstice.
Yeah, that's on February 21st.
Yeah.
And I can see the whole vibe for the video in this. Are you doing the video? Yeah?
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. Right, now we got a second track and we have the international gentleman with us. He's left the snow and he's in here for the sunshine.
I'm back.
Yeah.
Surprise.
So KO is there. Yes. Yeah, good morning, sir. Welcome.
Welcome. Well, thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yes.
How you doing, Mike?
Well, I know you passed us there. We didn't realize the locks changed.
Yeah, it's been a little while. Not too much, but
Yeah.
the face is still
In fact,
the
I
same.
just recently saw you. Was it on Instagram with a photo? Two gentlemen. I think it was on Instagram. I just saw you just recently.
Two gentlemen?
Yeah.
It's probably these two guys.
No, was it?
Yeah,
I
man.
can't remember. I just saw
If
some.
it was in the studio, it
Could
was
be.
with these two guys.
Could be.
Yeah, man. And that's the thing. It's just like sort of God's timing. I didn't really tell anybody I was kind of coming down. I just kind of came down and linked with the people that I saw were kind of on the same wavelength. And once I linked up with them, once I got into the studio with them and saw how relentless and hungry they are, in addition to talented, it was just, it was a
Working it out.
no-brainer.
And you bring back, of course, that's what you had last year. It was the first time, yeah?
Yes, Solstice. So over the course of the year, it's been amazing to see the brand itself grow. So I was able to do it in Halifax as well. I'm going to be doing it in Toronto, and I want to be doing it sort of here every year, sort of as a seasonal thing. So since I'm only here for the month of February, there's a lot going on. I wanted to do something for Valentine's Day as well, but that didn't work out. But we're able to do a Independence Day edition of Solstice at Coconuts, Wednesday, February 21st. It's going to start, it's going to be like 7 to 11 p.m.
Nice.
All right.
So
And,
you guys will be performing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right.
Ocean View will be there, in addition to Smalls, Infinite, Michael Robinson, the usual suspects. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Since it's the
yeah.
one night we got, I wanted to bring sort of like an all-star cast and let's just all catch a vibe. Let's have a good time. It's in Coconuts this time. It's the middle of Rodney Bay, so I feel like it'll be a good environment for it.
But is this a one-off or is it going to continue?
For the time being, just for right now, we're only going to do this one just because of the time that I have here right now.
Okay.
I will be back, in the summer. I'm looking for a carnival band to jump in, so
Right. Carnival is going to be something else.
yeah, the costumes looking well. So
Yeah, they're going to be something else.
Yeah.
That's the vibe. The costume, the music as well. Music is really taking shape.
So we
definitely.
can expect when you come back that you will continue, yeah?
Yes, absolutely. And I mean, this is just the beginning too. New music will be coming as well, but today is all about Ocean View. So.
All right. Well, tell us about the collaboration there with that track and the track we're about to play.
That was one of the first ones that we just sort of vibed. I mean, how many we got right now? We got about 5. We got about 5 records. We did 4 of those the same night that we linked up. And that's the thing. These guys work so relentlessly. Like, I'm the kind of guy, I lock in. I'm in the studio 3-4 times a week for like 6 to 8 hours. These guys are the same way. And I haven't been to St. Lucia and link with like young guys like that are just
With that
as
passion and drive.
exactly.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
once we link, it was nothing. It was just God's timing.
All right.
Real.
But tell me about the track, Rashad, this one.
This one is called Crazy. This one is featuring KO and Ocean View. So yeah, this one is another Valentine song.
Do you love me? Do you love me not? Do you love me? Do you love me not?
My baby trying to drive me so crazy.
Do you love me? Do you love me not? You know that I'm crazy for you. You know that I'm crazy for you. Yeah. You know that I'm crazy for you.
And then I am so crazy. And then I am so crazy. Hey.
She knows that I'm crazy.
My baby driving me crazy, oh.
She knows that I'm crazy.
She got me going insane.
Deny that I'm crazy.
She got me driving 180, oh.
She knows that I'm crazy.
In all this December rain. Hey, we are just a little bit crazy. My baby trying to drive me so crazy.
Do you love me? Do you love me not?
Hey.
You know that I'm crazy for you. You cause she the reason I feel popping daily. Stuck in my ways, if you don't indicate me, I just might get lost on this road to success. Told you let's talk cause I need to confess. Give you my love, rip my heart out my chest. It wasn't enough, so I tried to finesse. There was never no one that you tried to impress. You know that I'm crazy for you. Can't deny that I'm crazy for you. You know that I'm crazy for you. You know that I'm crazy. Can't deny that I'm crazy.
Girl, you know I'm crazy about your love. You know that I can't do without your love. Every time we kiss and we touch, girl, I can't get enough. Can't believe how your skin's so soft. Think I'm crazy, just wait till I come over. Pull up at your crib with a Range Rover. Only memories that we made so far. I'm everything you need when you need closure. Come closer.
You know that I'm crazy for you. You know that I'm crazy for you. One deny that I'm crazy. And deny that I'm crazy. She knows that I'm crazy for you.
My baby crazy. I tell you, you guys are easy. Good vibe. And we've been doing it for years. I want to thank you, Rashad, for bringing us. Usually I always ask the music before so I can get a chance to listen to. You broke the rules, but you
But it worked out well. It was a nice
yeah, good vibe though. Very good, very good.
Thank you.
And of course, K. Well, you know, we know KO. Well, KO started here too, so you know,
Absolutely.
started at the wave too. Yeah.
The music was the first song, and it was
Yeah.
the wave that showed love.
Yeah. Well, so it's good, and the youngster there too. Well, you have a future ahead.
This is actually our first radio interview, so.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
As Ocean
Yeah.
View.
Ocean View. Love it.
Right.
Love the
So
name.
how could persons get in contact with you if they want you maybe to perform this at Valentine's at a hotel or something?
For sure, you could just check me out on Instagram.
Hit up Rashad.
My name is Rashad Joseph on Instagram. That's RASHAAD Joseph. On Instagram, you can check me out on Facebook, and we have music on SoundCloud, on YouTube. So anyway, you can basically just search my name or search around Ocean View 758.
What's the SoundCloud?
The SoundCloud is Ocean View Music.
Ocean View Music.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, great job, guys. Exciting
Thank you so much.
music.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
I didn't expect that, honestly. Didn't
Much-
expect that.
Much more to come, I promise.
Yeah, really nice.
Well, you know,
wish
we're going
you
to
all
give
the
you
very
tremendous
best.
love.
Thank you guys so
Yeah,
much.
at the wave.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for joining us. Home is up next. Is the wave.
Ooh, what do we have here?
I see the hits.
The Wave, 94.5 and 93.7 FM.
Yeah. Whoa. Yes, we shall have a good time. Yeah. Whoa. Boom, boom. Somebody say yeah. It's a brand new day. I can see it clear now. The clouds are gone. Sunshine. Somebody say yeah. It's a brand new day. Let us give the praises to the Almighty One. The sun is shining again.